Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In the last video, we used the NuGet package manager to import required dependencies to use the login controls. In this video, we will use login as well as login status control. Alright, now let's go to the demo. So let's close our web.config and we will expand the toolbox. Now we are in login.aspx web form, and first we will place a label. Login control demo, that's the text we are giving here. Now we will go to the login control and drag and drop the login, and if you see the default UI which has username, password, remember me next time, so you can see it's a combination of a composite control, right? There are multiple control here and it is provided by the login control. So this will allow user to enter their username and password. Then by clicking the login button here, they can log into the web application. Now we will place the login status as well here. So the login status control here tells whether user is logged in or not. So let's click this composite control. Here, if you see, there is a create user text and create user URL, and we will set this text as register, and URL, you can see register here. URL we will give it as register.aspx. We haven't yet created this form, but just provided the name here, and we will create this web form later. If you see, this is our login control, right? If user name is not exist, they can click this link and this will land you into the register user screen that we haven't yet created. At present we have this login control ASPX only. So after dropping the form, we set two important properties. One is create user text and create user URL. So these two will be useful to create the new user and navigate the user from this login page to register.aspx page. And it happens when user clicks this web link. Alright, now we will go to the web config. And inside the web config, we need to set a property to state we are using the form authentication. So let's place this here. Let's state authentication. Mode equal to forms. So here we are stating that we want to use the form authentication, and now our lane login controls project uses the form authentication mode, and we configured that in the web.config file. Now we will create a new web form called register.aspx. Why? Because when user clicks this register link, it will navigate to the register.aspx. So we are clicking add new item and choosing the web form. Here we are creating a new form, register.aspx. Let's go to the design view. So we will continue with this register.aspx in the next video. Now we will go to login. Let's rebuild the solution. Rebuild all is succeeded, right? Let's run it. Okay, unobtrusive validation mode, right? We will copy this. We will go to web.config again. We will add a new settings here. App settings. Add key equal to validation settings dot, actually colon here, and we already copied the error, right? Unobtrusive validation mode, we will set value as none, so this will avoid the error. So that's the key, and here we are providing the value. Now let's go ahead and run the solution. So it states that key is unrecognized. Let's stop this and go to our web config. It's case sensitive, so key should be lowercase, and we will rebuild the solution again and run it. Right, now we can see the login control. At present we don't have any username. In the next video we will go ahead with this register workflow. Register form we haven't yet designed, and we will continue with this register form in the next video. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.